Hey everyone, Robin from Autogeek. Today I'm here with Ilya from Gtechniq, and we're going to talk about a standalone product called EXO. Tell me what this product is.
So EXO is a ceramic topper, but you can use it alone. It's a 18 to 24 month coating. The purpose of it, add extreme hydrophobics.
Great, so you can use this without any base coating then is what you're saying?
Absolutely,
okay.
Absolutely. Application is just as easy as our base coatings. I would go as far as to say it's even easier. So for the person that is just looking for that shiny wax look, this is a great option for you with that 18 to 24 months of durability.
Great, and user-friendly? Anyone can use this?
Super easy. Very
good. So tell me, in the box, we've got a bottle here, the applicator. Some of your other products come with a pipette, so tell me about how I'm going to apply this.
Yeah, so it's more simple than a base layer coating, no pipette. We have a dropper in the bottle already, so it's as simple as opening the bottle, applying it to your applicator pad, and then applying it to your substrate.
Great, and I assume easy to read instructions in here too?
Easy to read instructions, and we go a little bit further than that. We add instructions for every single one of our ceramic coats.
Great. How's the wipe-off process on this?
Very easy. As you can see, we have a few microfibers in front of us. Generally, I would have about 3 when wiping this product off. Once you apply it, you're generally gonna have about 30 to 60 seconds before it fully flashes. So you can do large panels at a time, no more small little squares.
All right, so you can move through a vehicle pretty quickly then.
Very fast.
Excellent. And so how many layers of this product would I typically put on a vehicle?
So you can do 1, you can go up to 2. I wouldn't do more than 2 layers.
Okay. And why would I use EXO on its own?
Ease of application. So for a lot of our installers, if you're mobile, if you don't have a climate controlled facility, ceramic coating can be difficult to apply. EXO is just one of those options where it's not super finicky with humidity and heat, so it's a great option for those mobile installers or someone that doesn't have a climate control facility.
Great, I like that. I like that it's user-friendly, easy to take on the road for mobile guys or somebody even at home doing this.
Absolutely, and it looks ridiculous.
Great. Well, thanks so much for that information. If you have any questions on this product and others, visit autogeek.com.